Welcome back, children. We will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is addition of mixed numbers. For adding the mixed numbers, we have to follow some steps, right? First step is convert the mixed number to improper fraction. You know what are mixed numbers? Mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. And improper fraction is what? Some fractions, they have the numerator greater than the denominator, that are called improper fractions. Okay, and here when you are getting mixed number, you need to convert it into improper fraction. After getting the improper fraction, we need to add the fractions. How can we add, children? Sometimes you will get unlike fraction, you need to take the LCM of both the denominators. After that, we need to change both the denominators into their LCM. Then you will get like fractions. Then you can add it. Okay. And after getting this sum, we need to convert it into mixed number. Don't worry, I will teach you how to do this. And I will give you one example. 3 and 3 by 7 plus 2 and 2 by 7. And what did I tell you? And you need to change it into improper fraction. How can we change? The formula is what? Whole number into denominator plus numerator. That is the numerator. You know how to do that, right? 3 and, I will tell you, 3 and 3 by 7. Okay, how can we do this? Whole number into denominator plus numerator, that is the numerator, and denominator is same, that is 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 3 is 24 divided by 7. Okay, and the next one is 2 and 2 by 7. How can we change? Whole number into denominator, 2 into 7 plus 2 and divided by 7. Denominator is same only. And 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 2 equals 16, 16 by 7. Okay. Now we change both mixed numbers to improper fraction. After that we can add. How can we add this? Tell me. 3 and 3 by 7 plus, I need to write it again. We need to put one equal sign and do it like that. And 3 and 3 by 7, that is 24 by 7 plus 16 by 7. Okay, see, these two are like fractions only, that is easy for you. Don't take the LCM, we can add it. What will you get? 24 plus 16 equals what? 24 plus 16 equals 40, right? 40 divided by 7. See the fraction, children, that is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. What we want to do? Whenever you are getting improper fraction, you need to change it into mixed number. How can we change it into mixed number? 40 divided by 7. And how can we do this? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35, subtract, you will get, that is 5. Okay, and 5, whatever comes in the quotient, that will become whole number. This one is whole number, and this one is numerator, and it is denominator. Okay, then you tell me 5 and 5 by 7, that is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, and first we need to change it into improper fraction. After that we need to find the sum of these two fractions, that we got 40 by 7. After getting 40 by 7, that is improper fraction only. So we need to change it into mixed number. How? 40 divided by 7, and whatever comes in the whole quotient, that is whole number, and whatever comes as a remainder, that is numerator, and whatever comes as divisor, what is the divisor? That is denominator. So the mixed fraction is 5 and 5 by 7. Is it clear? Okay, next I will give 1 and 1 by 4 plus 2 and 1 by 4. How can you do this? Here also 1 and 1 by 4 equals, and 1 into 4 plus 1 divided by denominator same, that is 5 by 4, and 2 and 1 by 4 will become 2 4s are 2 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4, and not that is denominator is 4, and this one is 9 by 4. Okay. After that you will add 5 by 4 plus 9 by 4. What will you get? 5 plus 9 equals 14 by 4. 14 by 4 children. After that we need to change it into mixed number. 4 3s are 12. That 0 2. And this one is whole number and this one is numerator and it is denominator. So 3 and 2 by 4. 3 and 2 by 4. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one is 1 and 3 by 10 plus 4 and 1 by 2. How can we do this? Here also we need to change 1 and 3 by 10. It will become 1 into 10 plus 3 divided by 10, and that is 13 by 10. And this one is 4 and 1 by 2. 4 and 1 by 2 will become 4 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2. And 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. Okay. And after that we need to add this and this. 13 by 10 plus 9 by 2. Is it clear? Okay. And how can we add this? Is it like fraction? No, it is unlike fraction only. How can we add this? You take the LCM. LCM of 10 and 2 is what? That is, that I will write it here, 10 equals 2 into 5 and 2. So common in that LCM is 2 5s are 10 only. Okay. See, and after that we need to change both the denominators to their LCM, the same like fraction addition. Addition of fractions, and I have given in the last video, right? Okay. And how can we do that? Here 13 by 10, that denominator itself, you know what's the reason? 10 and LCM both are same only, no need to change. 10 into 1 and 13 into 1, the same fraction only you will get. Then the change will come to this side. 9 by 2, 2 into which number equals LCM? 2 into 5 equals LCM. So 9 into 5. So 13 by 10 plus 45 by 10. Answer is what? What is the answer here? 45 plus 3, 48 plus 10, that is 58. 58 divided by 10 only, right? 58 divided by 10. See, I have told you, right, whenever you are getting improper fraction, you need to change it into what? Mixed number. How? 58 divided by 10. How can we do this? 10 5s are 50. So, here remainder is 8. 5 is the whole number, then 8 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. So, answer is 5 and 8 by 10. Is it clear? Okay. Then, the next one is 2 and 3 by 4 plus 2 and 2 by 3. How can we do this? Here also 2 and 3 by 4 equals 2 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. That is 8 plus 3, 11 divided by 4. And 2 and 2 by 3 will become what? 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 by 3. After that you will add 2 and 2 by 4 plus 2 and 2 by 3 will become what? 11 by 4 plus 8 by 3. Here also, unlike fraction, so what we want to do? We need to take the LCM of these two numbers. See, 4 and 3. Did you see any common factor there? No. So, LCM is what? 4 3s are 12. So, LCM equals 12. So, we need to change it into what? LCM. Both denominators into their LCM. Here LCM equals 12. So, 4 into which number equals 12? 4 into 3 and 11 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus and numerator is 8 into 4. Is it? Is it clear? And here we got two unlike fractions only, so we need to take the LCM. After that we need to change both the denominators into their LCM. Here LCM equals 12. So, 4 into 3 and 11 into 3 and 3 into 4 equals 12. So, 8 into 4 and that is numerator 33 by 12 plus 32 divided by 12. So, total is 65 divided by 12 and now it is improper fraction only, that I have told you, right? By whenever you are getting improper fraction, you need to change it into mixed number. 65 divided by 12 equals what? Okay, and see, and which one is whole number here? 5. 5 and 5 by 12. Okay, is it clear? And the next to our homework only. Thank you, children.